Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over a couple of the ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg options for displaying blog posts. So in order to grab these blocks, you'll go to Add Block. And I do have ultimate add-ons installed on the site. It's currently a free plugin offered by Brainstorm Force that adds a lot more versatility. So for the blog post, we have a couple options. Number one is the post grid. Number two would be the post masonry, and we also have the post carousel. I'll pull that in right there. All right, cool. So I only have one blog post on the site, so as you can see, they're all displaying the same. But with the post grid, it's a pretty generic grid where there are, 3 columns, and you can also change the number of columns right here. You can change the number of items that appear. These will stack down, and you can work with that. There's awesome settings here like equalize height. You can do all sorts of things with showing the featured image, changing what content appears and what doesn't, and you can change this read more link, and then you can do all sorts of fun things with the typography of the various the various parts of the blog post. And a lot of these options are reflected in these other options with the masonry and the carousel, but there are just a couple different ways to display the same blog posts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I've been trying to come up with a way to find a way to do this with Lifter LMS courses, and maybe that kind of thing will come in the future. I don't know if they currently have, let's look up Lifter LMS stuff, course information, syllabus, instructors. But yeah, so that might be a neat thing. I'll try to work on figuring out if there's a clever way to do this with the course catalog in Gutenberg. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.